Merry Christmas! So I did this look for Christmas. If you want to see how I did it, then stay tuned. So of course, first things first, we're going in with some foundation. And y'all already know I am using Mary Kay. So I went in with the bronze number 3 all over my face. Then I went ahead and did my eyebrows. And if you guys want a detailed brows tutorial, just let me know so that I can get that out for you guys. Then I went under my brows with the bronze number 1. And this is just going to create that foundation base for my eyeshadow. And y'all know how I like to do. I like to go light under the brow bone, put like a brown in the crease area, and then pop something nice on the lid. Now I'm going to use my NYX eyeshadow base to cut the crease, and I'm going to be applying that red and white in a ombre. I have other ombre eyeshadow looks on my channel, so make sure that y'all check those out. So because this look is candy cane inspired, of course I had to pull out my candy cane earrings. I had to get my candy cane red and white ombre on my eye. And of course I had to put a huge candy cane across my face. So this look was so much fun. This is one of my favorite special effects looks that I have done. Of course, y'all know glitter. We need it. So I went in with some glitter. And I have some other glitter line tutorials as well, so make sure y'all check those out. I will put a few of them in the cards. If you are not following me on Instagram, go ahead and do that. And check the description bar for all of my Facebook pages and groups, as well as all of my sites, so you guys can see what I'm doing on a daily basis and see all of the wonderful products that I have to offer. So I'm going to apply some of my lashes, and I am going under my eye now with some bronze number 1. Now for this side, this is where the candy cane is going to go. So I'm just mapping that out first. Then I'm going to paint it in and do the red and white candy cane stripes. Here I'm just going ahead and finishing my highlight so that the candy cane can be on top of all of that. And I went ahead and set that. So now that I know where the candy cane is going to go, I'm just doing everything else to make sure that the background is done, and then the candy cane will be the final step. January is right around the corner, you guys. Go ahead and put those suggestions below for what you want to see for New Year's. We have January, we have February with Valentine's Day and Black History. We have March coming up. We have April. The possibilities are endless. So put those suggestions below. Let me know what holidays you want me to do a video on. We can definitely do some more special effects makeup that pertains to certain holidays. So come on, y'all, put those suggestions in there so we can get this channel popping. We are well over 1,000 subscribers and we're on our way to 2,000. So share these videos, you guys. Let's get this subscriber count up so that I can keep creating this content for you all, and so we can just have fun. Make sure y'all check out my family vlog channel, Chilling with the Chisholms. The link to that is below as well. Check us out, subscribe to that channel as well as this one so that you can keep up with us and see what we're up to, because we're always doing something. This is that same paint that I fell in love with for the Halloween special effects looks. So I need to go look and try to find some more of this. I cannot believe that I found this at the Dollar Tree. I should have bought everything that they had because this face paint is amazing. Now that I have my red and white, I'm going to do an outline of it. And this is just going to make it be more defined. I'm also going to go in with some dark brown and or black eyeshadow to do some shading around the candy cane to give a more 3D effect. And that's it, y'all. After you do that shading, it's gonna have that candy cane like it's just popping off of your face. And this is the look, very sexy for Christmas time. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and share. And I will see you guys in the next video. Have a happy holidays, and it's a wrap.